love using is backlight. So I'm in this beautiful area where it has some nice natural light. And I love how these two windows back here are lighting up my subject, making him look like he's glowing, which is awesome. So what I do is kind of meter for this highlight. So I'm looking for the amount of glow that I want. And since it's pretty soft light coming in, I can do a shot without lighting. And I'm going to take a wide angle shot. And I can kind of overexpose it. I don't really care if I'm blowing out those highlights. I just want him to glow, right? So I'm choosing the amount of glow that I want on the photo. And it's giving me a pretty awesome shot. Now, because he's creating an awesome shape, I've got a nice profile on him. I can enhance it by turning on some light here. So I'm going to add a little bit more light on his face. By turning this on. I've got this nice Stella light here, but I want to have that light come from up and down. And so now I'm going to create a highlight here and a shadow here. And that's what I'm looking for. So now it's going to create a little bit more interest. I can now shoot. Perfect. Look down at your guitar. That looks awesome right there. And so now, with the added light, I can kind of underexpose the image more, and because I can still have highlight around his face, and then the rim light around here, which looks amazing.